Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look again at the euro as usual. So you can see miracle hasn't happened, and the breakout that actually could happen by the Fed statement has been failed. As you can see, euro again just showing the long tail to the upside, spiked the resistance of this triangle and pulled back. So on the weekly, on a dollar index, you will see that this triangle has more accurate shape, so it's very accurate with these tops and bottoms. But in general, as I said, it's not the fact yet that we have the bullish stop yesterday. So yesterday I explained you why I have some discomfort on possible taking the long position currently, because we have uncompleted target on the weekly dollar index around the major 618 fib level, and we have two bearish grabbers that are still valid. So yes, the market wasn't able even to erase the first grabber, so this top stands below this one. It means that the nearest future, since we are coming to the holidays, so in the nearest future, the pullback down is very probable. So currently I do not talk about the possible immediate upward breakout and downside strong action, but at least taking at the really small targets on intraday charts, it seems that the pullback here is the action that we could get in the nearest future. So why this really could happen? So if you have read what Fed had said yesterday, you probably understand that this was not as dovish comments as market expected. It means that it was the hint that maybe the policy will not be as aggressive as was suggested in September. So there will not be 3 rate increasing in 2019, but the 2 rate increasing stands on the table. About the 3rd rate increase, it will depend on inflation and the statistics. So it will be not some fixed program, fixed scenario, but it will depend on the statistics, on the economy, and how it will develop. And depending on that, it will be decision made on the 3rd rate increase in 2019. Currently, guys, if you will take a look at the futures of the Fed fund rate, you will see that market barely pricing the single rate increase in 2019. Because chances by the end of 2019 that rate will be 25 basis points higher stands approximately 35%. What does it mean? It means that currently market should start the re-estimation of the future of the Fed policy and starting to price it in. It means that the current balance between euro and United States dollar should change in favor of the dollar. This makes me think that maybe not really fast, maybe gradually, maybe it will not be very strong action, but the chances to see downward action here and after the Christmas currently looks very probable. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, our predefined level has worked perfectly. So yesterday we said that keep an eye on the 1470. That will be the key point to the short-term perspective. 2 harmonic swings have been completed. So if you have taken short position here, you could keep it, move your stops to the break-even. Also, you can see market has formed reversal session, reversal candle here, very strong drop. That definitely will get the continuation to the downside. That's why today, in the 2 sessions, we could keep an eye on these patterns. Looks very nice. You can see it's kind of the hand shoulders. And as usual, it happens, the ABCD retracement upright to 114 even. So OP targets will be 114 agreement. Right arm of this potential hand and shoulders pattern could be another chance to take the short position, the downward continuation. So that's the short-term scenario. So mostly, as I said, I feel uncomfortable for taking the short position or taking the long position until market stands below 114.50, 115 area, because this is the crucial area for daily chart. And while market stands below it, it keeps well at bearish scenario. With the recent Fed comments on the back, as I said and explained why I think that the downward direction really big chances to continue, even from the technical point of view. This really very big collapse probably should get some kind of the continuation to the downside. So currently, even in the short-term perspective, it's chances for very fast scalp trade with a very small risk. So potentially you could sell against this top. So that's what we see right now. Tomorrow activity will be less because we're coming to Christmas holidays. And just one note, guys, at the end of the video, since on 24th and 25th of the December markets will be closed, we will not make the videos on the 25 and 26th of December because nothing will be to tell about. So next time I will prepare the weekly updates as usual, so weekly reports on the weekend, but daily videos will be only on the 27th of December after the holidays. So let's see what the progress will be on euro currency.